Sizishatsha emzimkhulu wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park. Nanzi ezithujileko.
I was left with no choice to tell the people that employed me, which are the citizens of South Africa, that what's going on in our system.
Ukomishinara wamapolisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi utshele ikomishini kaMadlanga bona azange amane asukele abize imbikindaba wathoma kubaphathi bakhe bamziba.
If you are in the Madlanga Commission and has proved that you have done criminal activities, you are not our comrade.
Iphiko labatsha be-ANC lithi abazukutholakala bamlando ekomishini kaMadlanga kuzokufuneka abathathelwe amagadango abakhambisani nezenzo ezinjalo bona.
No one, neither Sentech nor the SABC or anyone involved, would want to have a day wherein there is a risk of that signal being cut off.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthintana uthi ayikho okungabi khona ukuthi iSentech izokucima indambo zokuthintana ze-SABC ngoba nabatsho iyakoloda. Phezu kwentshijilo zamhlapha nje eziqalene nesafa ilukuluku lengqhema ezijamele ilizwe leli ngilo kanye eliyirobhelela yabasikeli ngemali. Siyalotshisa emakhaya ngamakhaya nanzi zesindebele zika 5:30 ngoCedric Mwebya sizirhatsha kwe-SABC 1 akwande. Namhlanje ilanga lesithathu lokwethula ubufakazi kuka Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi phambi kwekomishini kaMadlanga. Bekube nje kunengi okuthusaka uMkhwanazi akuvezileko esitshabeni kanti ke umbikindaba we-SABC uphindile Msiza usihlanganisele nakumbiko ngobufakazi buka Mkhwanazi banamhlanje ekomishini kaMadlanga. Kanti ikomishini le izokuraga godi ngelesibili iveke zabo.
Wamapolisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi namhlanje utshele ikomishini kaMadlanga ukuthi uBrown Oupa Mokgotsi bekangasingsomabhizinisi kwaphela kodwa ubesebenzisana nongqongqoshe wamapolisa uSenzo Mchunu. uMokgotsi bekaziwa kakhulu esifundeni seTlhagwini Jingalanga njengomuntu onamandla ngehlangothini lezepolitiki nokwazi ukukhambisa amathenda wemali phezulu. Isikhathi sonke nje ubesebenza njengomuntu ojame ngemva ukufikela lapha uMkhwanazi aveza khona indaba emhlanganweni wababika indaba awubiza ngovela bahlinze. Ekuthomeni uMchunu waphika eParliament ukuthi usebenzisana noMokgotsi kodwa wayokuvuma ngokukhamba kwesikhathi enkundleni zokuxhumana lapha ahlathulula khona uMokgotsi njengecomrade.
The minister, subsequent to that, at the end of March, he had a conversation with a private individual and he confirmed to know the person, although denying the person as an associate, but he had confirmed that the person is a comrade. And I said, I do not know the difference then between a comrade and associate.
uMkhwanazi ubuye wabala amahlandla ambalwa kaMchunu wokulinga ukucharaganisa isiqhema esizinikeleko esiphenya ngokubulawa kwabosopolitiki. Nazi utshele ikomishini kaMadlanga ukuthi ungqongqoshe wamapolisa waphambilini uNathi Mthethwa uyena umengameli waphambilini uJacob Zuma babalwa hlangana nezinye ingikhulu eziphezulu ebezinyaza imisebenzi yamapolisa. Uthi izenzo zabo zathikazisa isiqhema esijeje ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki KwaZulu-Natal. Batshela isiqhema ukuthi batsho indaba yokubulawa kwabosopolitiki akusiyo into thomako kodwa kumlando ozibuyelelako.
The challenges that I highlighted in the media on the 6th of July, it was a history repeating itself to my assessment. And I said, it cannot be that I allowed the Mdlula era, the Minister Mthethwa era, and under President Zuma to happen like that it's happening again now, and I keep quiet. I have a responsibility to bring this to the attention of the executive authority and to Parliament. And in failing that, I was left with no choice to tell the people that employed me, which are the citizens of South Africa, that what's going on in our system.
Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uyelelise ngendaba yokuqatshwa ngobutsha kwepolisa elijanyisiwe kwemsebenzini uShadrack Sibiya. Umkhwanazi ubuze ukuthi uSibiya wakhutshulwa njani wayokufika esikhundleni sokuba nguMajor General ngomnyaka munye kulandelwa ukuqotha kwakhe. Wathi lokho kuyasolisa, kanti uthi ukuqatsha umuntu onomlando osolisako kubeka iziko lamapholisa engozini enkulu. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Umasipalata weKuruleni uthi uphenya insolo ezenziwe nguLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi zokuthi inkolo ezikasomabhizinisi uVusmusi Khet Matala zihloliswe ngaphasi kwamasipalata weKuruleni bezafakwa namalehe wamapholisa. Ngokutsho kwaMkhwanazi uthi lokhu kwenziwe ngesizo lesekele lekulu yamapholisa kwamasipalata uJulius Mkhwanazi.
Umatala amacala athwese wona ufaka hlangana lokhu lokubulala umuntu nokulinga ukubulala ngicala elihlotshwaniswa nokulinga ukubulala loyo akhabe intombi yakhe uTebogo Bejane. Umasipala weKuruleni uthi phenyo laraga ngensolo zesikhulu sikamasipala esasiza uMatala ukuhlolisa inkolo zakhe egameni likamasipala nokunye.
The city of Ekurhuleni has noted the allegations made at the Madlanga Commission concerning the Deputy Chief of Police, Julius Mkhwanazi, relating to the alleged unlawful facilitation of private vehicles being fitted with blue lights. The city takes these allegations with the utmost seriousness. The matter has been referred to internal audit for thorough investigation, and the city will fully cooperate with the Madlanga Commission in its ongoing proceedings.
Ngokuya ngomkhwanazi umthetho iTraffic Act uthi amapholisa kwaphela ekufanele inkolo zabo zibe namalehe ahlaza okwesibhaka.
Iphiko labatsha be-ANC liphakamise bona kuqothwe abongqongqotshe be-DA ababhalelwa kusebenza ngokwamahlelo amatsha kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Umengameli wephiko labatsha be-ANC uColin Malachi ukhulume ngalendlela emkhandlwini wesibili wephiko labatsha ngempela veke. Malachi ukhulume nangekomitshini eragako kaMadlanga wakhamba phezulu kwamagama kaMengameli uRamaphosa ukuthi imphakamiso zekomitshini kaMadlanga zizokulandelwa ngokupheleleko.
Iphiko labatsha be-ANC likhulume nangendaba yokuthi uragwe msinyana umsebenzi wokuhlanganisa iPost Bank ne-African Bank kwenziwe ibhanka yombuso. Kuqalwe nendaba yokuthi amaphandle acaphaza umnotho wemalokitshini. Litshilo iphike linokuthi uMengameli uRamaphosa akabaqothe abongqongqotshe be-DA abangafuni ukusebenzisa imigomo ezokwenza abantu beSouth Africa bazuze khulukhulu abantu abatsha.
The NGC, through the adoption of the report of the President, have agreed that we must call upon the removal of all DA ministers who are refusing to implement resolutions and instructions of the President. Now, we're saying the President must urgently, because the ANC Youth League has diagnosed the DA as them being in government with us, but acting like an opposition. Now, they are not taking collective responsibilities and instructions of the President. Now, we're saying that the President must urgently act on them and remove them and bring in partners who are prepared to implement the program with us.
Uthena selangena indabeni yekomtshini kaMadlanga, uMalachi wathi nangabe kunamalunga we-ANC atholakala amlandu ekomtshinini le, yeke kufuze abone ezangayo.
Look, we're not going to associate ourselves with criminals. If you are in the Madlanga Commission and there's proof that you have done criminal activities, you are not our comrade. You don't deserve to have membership of the ANC. Now, anyone else those who are accused must go and prove that they are not guilty. If they are found guilty, they must immediately vacate the African National Congress.
Bachwile nokuthi bazobe baphambili nemakhethweni womnyaka ozako. Umalaji ungezelele nangokuthi iphiko lisakhulumisana ne-SACP nephiko layo labatsha bona bayilise indaba yokuthi bayokungenela ikhetho babodwa.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzibophelele ekuthatheni amagadango malungana nalokho okuzokuvela ekomishini kaMadlanga. uRamaphosa utsho lokhu ngesikhathi SABC ikhulumisana naye ekulumeni ebeyiqaliswe khulu endabeni ezimraro bezikhamba phambili emvekeni ezidlulileko. Isikhulu samapholisa saKwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ufakaza phambi kwekomishini le begodu uveze amagama wamalungu weParliament, abosomabhizinisi namapholisa athindeka ezenzweni zobulelesi.
Malangana nje kwaphela ithomile ikomishini kaMadlanga kodwa sekunamagama abantu abasengikhundleni eziphezulu ekubalwa kibo abasembusweni inkhulu zamapholisa nabosomabhizinisi avele ebufakazini baka Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Mengameli uzwakalisa ukuguguneka ngengonyuluko ekhutshwa nguGeneral Mkhwanazi. Uyafunga ukuthi uyokuthathela amagadango konke ukuzokuvela ekomtshinini nanyana kungaba yini.
We do tend to want to have transparency, and thereafter, when the judge gives me the report on a periodic basis, we will be able to examine that report and the recommendations that are made and act on them.
uRamaphosa bawahlathulula amezwi wakhe okulinganisa abomasipalata abaholwa yi-DA nalabo abaholwa yi-ANC. Uthi ngekulumakhe bekangakanqopha ukunikela i-DA amandla okukhambela phezulu.
And I know that many people in the DA got very excited and said, yeah, the president said this. And from a compliance point of view, a number of them are. But from a transformation point of view, they are not really meeting the mark. And a number of ANC municipalities meet the mark. For instance, if you were to talk to our people in Philippi, in Delft, in Kayamandi, in Langa, they will tell you that those clean audits are not resulting in the transformation of their lives where they live, because there are enormous challenges.
Bewatsho nokuthi unethemba lokuthi ihlangane bamsene ne-ANC i-SACP izosihocisa isiqundo seconference yayo sokuthi yozingenela iyodwa ekhetheni lika 2026. Khathesi amehlo uzowaqalisa ekhambeni lakhe lehlanganisele enitshaba ezibumbeneko i-United Nations e-America.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthintana uSoli Malatsi uhobhise umoya ophephethako ngezwa ngobatsho yokungenzeka iSABC icinywe emoyeni ngenyanga uNobayeni nange ibhalelwe ukubhadela isikolodo sayo sakwaSentech. uMalatsi uthi iSABC iyakwazi ngamahlelo wokuhlangulwa ngaphambi kokuphela komnyaka. Bekakhuluma aseKapa akhambisana nongqongqoshe wezefundo sisekelo uSivuyo Kahube.
uMalatsi usandula ukubhengeza kuba utyumbe inkampani yabucala eza kuphanda indlela emakuxhaswe ngayo ngokwezimali iSABC. Uthi akunyanzelekanga kulindelwe kuphunyeziswe umthetho oyilwayo iSABC bill phambi kokuba kuziwe necebo lokuhlangula ijelo losasazo likazwelonke.
One of the shortcomings of the SABC bill in the draft format that it was said that a funding model must be developed within 3 years, and that is kicking the can down the line. You know, you need a funding model immediately so that you can have a sense of how are we going to capacitate the public broadcaster to generate revenue in a sustainable manner.
Umphathiswa uthi le nkqubo iza kuthatha inyanga ezintathu. uMalatsi uthi intetho kasihlalo wekomiti yonxibelelwano yasepalamente uKhusela Diko yokuba elijelo losasazo lingacinywa emoyeni ekupheleni kukaDisemba ukuba akuhlawulwa inkampani iSentech ayizokufezeka.
No one, neither Sentech nor the SABC or anyone involved, would want to have a day wherein there is a risk of that signal being cut off.
Kusenjalo uMalatsi kwaye nomphathiswa wemfundo esezantsi uSiviwe Gwarhu banikezele ngezixhobo zalamaxesha kwisikolo eEaster River ngaphandle eKapa.
Going to be able to make sure that every child has a device in their hand so that they can access coding and robotics. They can use literature programs.
uGwarhube uthi le nkqubo iza kusasazwa kuzwelonke. Kwindaba ze-SABC Dingubulelani Philip eKapa.
Nasibuya entolo.
Police are the people who they're supposed to give us security with our money, with our properties. We are not thieves, we are not crooks. We cross the border to go to South Africa to buy goods.
Bayalila abathengisa abadabuka elizweni leMozambique abastoka impahla nganeno bathi bakholekile ngamapholisa afuna ukufunjathiswa emkhawulweni weLibombo. Sabadabuka eMozambique bakhombele uhulumende weSouth Africa ukuthi abalamlele aqede ubukhohlakala abathi batsho benzeka emkhawulweni weLibombo eMpumalanga.
Amapholisa eSouth Africa anikele umsebenzi wokulwisana nokweqiwa komkhawulo nokuthengiswa kwempahla ngongemthetho. kodwa na njenganje asolwa ngokufuna imali abathengisini abazizakhamuzi zeMozambique. Omunye wabathengisi oba ungavezwa ngombana asabela impilo yakhe uthi batsho bakatelela ukuthi banikele amapholisa imali.
Police are the people who they're supposed to give us security with our money, with our properties. But when we are live at Libomba border, it's not happening that.
Abathengisi ababathi minyaka lokhu kusenzeka batsho ke balinga ukubika indaba le kodwa na akhange kwenziwe litho.
We are not thieves, we are not crooks. We cross the border to go to South Africa to buy goods. So otherwise they have to tell us what should we do.
Eminyakeni emibili edlulileko kwasungulwa umkhandlu wengameli imkhawulo iBorder Management Authority ukulisana nalezi hlangana nokhunye. Umkhandlu lo uthi wenza ngakho konke kusemandleni okulwisana nobukhohlakala emkhawulweni.
We have started some work together with State Security Agency to make sure that our colleagues are enrolled through into a vetting process, which is also going to enable us to be able to deal with the issues around integrity going forward in terms of the officials of the organization.
Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi eMpumalanga ukhombela bongazimba ukuthi babike izihlakalo ezifana nalezi.
We urge community to give us more information on that regard. It can't be a general statement because we deem this allegation as very serious.
Kanti umnyango lo ungezelele ngokuthi zizokuphenywa insolo zokubandakanyeka kwamapholisa ebukhohlakaleni.
Kezemidlalo phezukwenitshijelo zamhlapha nje eziqalene neSAFA ilukuluku lenqhema ezijamele ilizwe leli ngilo kanye eliyirobhelela yabasekeli ngemali. Yeke iSAFA ibuka indima elinywe yibanyana ibafana kunye nenqhema eziphasana emaphaliswaneni amakhulu.
uHugo Bruce uthwaye umlando ngokuba mbanduli wokuthoma owenza izibukwako ibafana ingene amahlandla amabili ehelweni lenqhema ezihlungela iAfcon. Lo makekere udabuka eBelgium wenze ezibukwako namhlapha njengomana ibafana esemnyango ongena eBikirini yephasi. Ngemva kobana yagcina ukuzithola ingena eminyakeni ema-20 edlulileko. Kanti ne-under 20 ingene kwehlandla lesihlanu kuFIFA Under 20 World Cup eyokudlalelwa eChile. Kanti ne-under 17 amaJimbos ayokudlala ibhigiri yephasi eQatar ngosinye ikhaba wanonyaka. Isikhulu seSAFA uLydia Munyepawu uthi la marekhodi wenqhema zekhethu abe irobholela yabasekeli bemali abazibophele ukuzinikela emahlelweni ahlukahlukeneko weSAFA.
It's not only about also football, you know, it's not only the 90 minutes on the between the four white lines, but it's the various programs that we're doing as well. The referees, we need to empower the referees, we need to empower the coaches, we need to empower capacity build, you know, as far as administrators are concerned. So there's many things that we need to be doing. We need to do football development in our regions.
We always want to see our national team do well. We want to see them on the world stage and really go and prove and take South Africa and Africa to the world. You know, we've got a great team. They've been performing really well, and it makes us as sponsors, it makes our job a little bit easier.
iSAFA ithi ngasikade ezokumemezela nabanye abasekeli abatsha.